Hello and welcome. Today's lesson I'm following up on replacing the Schindler CIO ACD board that's located inside and behind the car station. It was damaged by water, and right now I've disconnected all the connectors, and I'm beginning to take each screw out of the board, and we'll put the replacement board in its place. Okay, I'm slowly removing the board. This was the damaged board that got hit by water, and I'm going to place it off on the side, and I'm going to unwrap this replacement board, ground myself, and then slowly install it into place. Okay, I've installed the new board. Our connections are in place. All our screws are secured. I checked for my jumper settings, that they match the settings on the older board. The new board is a CIO ACD 3-point Q board. The old version is a 2-point Q. I'm sure it's backward compatible. And as far as everything else goes, we're ready to rock. We're ready to put the mainline switch in and give it a spin. Now it's the moment of truth. We've locked up our car station. We're going to head down to the motor room and we're going to start her up. Okay, we're back in the motor room, and we're going to kill our door power, and we're going to go over to our mainline switch, put it in. Let's notice the startup. Keep an eye on it. I heard the up and down arrow gongs. Well, it's just a matter of waiting and see. Okay, we're connecting. Oh my goodness. We're looking pretty good. This car's back in service. Everything went well. I hope you found this little lesson useful. Thank you, and have a nice day. Alright, we're on top of the car. And from what it appears that there's water marks along the cinder block wall that's going all the way up to an opening on the roof that caused the water damage. Up there, somewhere up on the roof, there's an opening that's allowing water to come in here.